Beavers are remarkable architects of the animal kingdom, creating complex dams that transform landscapes. These structures serve multiple purposes. They provide a safe refuge from predators and create ponds that support diverse wildlife. The construction process is meticulous. Beavers use branches, mud, and stones, working tirelessly to maintain their homes. Each dam alters water flow, fostering a rich ecosystem that benefits fish, birds, and plants. Interestingly, beavers have a profound impact on their environment, promoting biodiversity by creating wetlands. Their engineering skills demonstrate an extraordinary understanding of natural resources, ensuring their survival and the health of their habitats.